Hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. It is time for some more paper puppets. Paper puppets are super easy to make, super fun, and here we've made some little piggy ones. Oink, oink. Now, I thought the piggy ones would be really good for the Year of the Pig, Chinese New Year 2019, but also great for New Year's. So in places like Germany and Austria, a pig is a good luck symbol. Or if you are just playing things like, the story of the three little pigs. So, lots of little ways to play with these or reenact these, use these for pretend play, these little paper piggies, and hopefully you will really like them. And just a very quick announcement, and I'm sorry I'm talking too much, but quick announcement, 2019 is going to be a super duper year for Red Ted Art because we've got a new Red Ted Art book coming out. It's not until autumn 2019, so you'll have to be patient, but do watch out for it, and I'll be releasing information about it throughout the year. But anyway, let's take a look and see how these piggies are made. So to make our little piggies, you will need an A4 sheet of pink paper, some slightly contrasting pink, but to be honest, you can use any pink or draw it on, some eyes, a tongue, but these are all extra paper scraps that you can probably make do without and improvise. Pens and scissors for decorating, and glue stick for bringing it all together. So the first thing you want to do is you want to fold in maybe about 1/3 of the way. It's not exact. And then fold in the other side, not all the way because it'll be quite a thin piggy that way, but maybe 1/4 this time, but that they overlap. And then put a little bit of glue. Oopsie, knocking the camera. Put a little bit of glue along the edge. Glue down. Now fold up with the thing on the back. Fold down. You can maybe even fold it a little bit over so you've got a little lip, and that means you've got a slightly bigger puppet, but it's just a question of preference and what kind of dimensions you want. Flip it over so that you have this kind of M with the fold on the inside. And this is going to be your basic puppet. Cute, isn't it? Now we're going to just decorate it as a piggy, and that's where the other colours come in. So I'm going to cut out a nose. Just trying to be thrifty with my paper and see what else I can make out of it. You'll need a nose. You will need 2 ears. I like to cut them at the same time so that they're exactly the same shape. We might trim them a bit in a bit, but just get the rough shape. Ready? 2 ears, 2 eyes. And a tongue. Don't have to add the tongue, just if you fancy it. And then assemble it with some glue. So let's get the tongue in there first. Then the snout. Piggy eyes. And this is where you can have fun. If you put them further apart or closer together, your pig will get a different character. Different personality. You can make them looking in a certain direction, and then I'm just going to have a look at these. I think I'm going to put them sideways. And there you have it, a piggy puppet. If you want, you can trim the top, but I don't mind. I think it's quite cute. And let's have a little go. Let's see. Tra-la-la. And we have a little oink, oink, oink. And here's the other one. There's some slightly darker paper. And it's like oink, oink. There you go, I'm being silly now. But yes, if you liked this little piggy craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.